Just because your Galaxy S21 keeps dropping its Wi-Fi signal doesn't mean it already has a problem. It's always possible that it's an issue with your router. That's the reason why you have to do some troubleshooting procedures to be able to determine the cause of the problem and be able to fix it. So in this video, we will show you what to do if your Galaxy S21 starts to keep losing its Wi-Fi signal. First solution: restart both your router and your phone. It is possible that both your router and your phone just need their memories refreshed, especially if they've been online for a long time. So that's what you need to do first. Restart your router and then do the forced reboot on your Galaxy S21. Here's how you do those things. Unplug the router from the outlet, or disconnect the power cord from the main unit. Leave it without power for a minute or two. While waiting, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 8 seconds. This will force the phone to shut down and power back up. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait until the restart is finished. Once your router starts to broadcast the signal and your phone has finished rebooting, let it reconnect to the network and see if the problem is fixed. Second solution: reset the network settings of your device. If your Galaxy S21 still drops the Wi-Fi signal or still keeps disconnecting frequently, then you have to reset the network services on your phone. Assuming that such a problem doesn't occur to your other devices, then it's probably just a minor issue with some of the wireless settings on your device. Resetting the network settings will often fix the problem. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset to view the reset options. Tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings and if prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset to proceed with the network settings reset. After doing that, have your Galaxy S21 reconnect to the Wi-Fi network and try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution: factory reset your Galaxy S21. At this point, if your Galaxy S21 continues to lose its Wi-Fi signal, then you have no other choice but to reset it. A factory reset will fix any software-related problems including network issues like this. However, make sure to create a copy of your important files and data as they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When you're ready, follow these steps to reset your Galaxy S21. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset to view all reset options. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Delete All. Enter your password and tap Done to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device. It should work properly now that you've reset it. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.